So, you've probably heard a lot of buzz about hydrogen lately, right? But what's the deal with all the hype? Well, let me break it down for you. There are three main types of hydrogen: gray, blue, and green. Let's dive in. First up, we have gray hydrogen. This type of hydrogen is produced from natural gas through a process called steam methane reforming. Sounds fancy, right? Well, here's the catch. Gray hydrogen is not so eco-friendly. It releases a significant amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. Not so great, huh? Next, we have blue hydrogen. Blue hydrogen is also produced from natural gas, but with a twist. The carbon emissions produced during its production are captured and stored underground, preventing them from entering the atmosphere. This makes blue hydrogen a bit more environmentally friendly than gray hydrogen, but it's not perfect. And finally, we have green hydrogen. Now, this is where things get exciting. Green hydrogen is produced using renewable energy sources like wind or solar power through a process called electrolysis. This means zero carbon emissions during production, making green hydrogen the cleanest option of them all. It's like the superhero of the hydrogen world, swooping in to save the day. So, there you have it: gray, blue, and green hydrogen. Each type has its pros and cons, but one thing's for sure: the future of hydrogen lies in the hands of green hydrogen. It's time to shift our focus towards sustainable and clean energy solutions. Let's embrace the power of green hydrogen and pave the way for a greener, brighter tomorrow.